Who would have thought I'd be going straight over the road cutting?
Right, I'm going to move you around.
Yeah, okay.
But you two are going to swap places.
Okay.
I know I'm not wanted.
No, it's just so I can see over you a bit easier.
Yeah, I'm a rather large lump.
Well, I mean, you know,
Yeah.
your use is being taught.
Well, hello, you beautiful lot. How we doing? I'm feeling grand, and I've made my way out to the road cutting on the 31st of May 2022. So the road cutting, I've done a couple of little videos, and I did actually manage to come over here in a hot air balloon and have a look at this marvellous Victorian engineering that is part of the world's first intercity railway, which used to run from London Euston to Birmingham, and this was the first main line. So yeah, after seeing so much about it and reading about it, I've actually come out to do some train spotting and catch the epicness of this. It's awesome. So there's a couple of bridges going down. So what I think through the day is we'll just work our way down into road and hopefully meet up with the historical plaque. That's probably about 4 bridges down. I would just like to take a moment and just point this bit out. Where that green bridge thing is there, I think it's a gas pipe. But you're just about to have a new road right there, and that's the new dual carriageway. That is the road bypass. So when I'm finished filming this bit, we'll take a little walk along there and I'll show you exactly where this new bridge is coming. But at the minute it looks like we've got a 221. Oh yes, that we have. Beautiful. Very nice. Run! Yeah! So this is the West Coast Main Line that will go off to Rugby, but this one here is the Northampton arm, and just up at the next bridge you can see where it splits off, but I don't know if we can get round, to be fair. So I don't want to waste my time, and I definitely don't want to miss what's coming. So I do believe we've got a rail operations group bringing through a drag, class 47749 or 39. Not entirely sure. It's pretty hard to see the numbers up here as well, so I'm just going to have to rely on Railcam and see what I can put in for you all. I want to give a big shout out to my 2 sponsors as well. We've got the little rail house of Wellingborough, which is right next to the station. So if you find you're in the area, travelling on the train, feel a bit parched, then pop in, get yourself a lovely drink. Absolutely wonderful. And they're part of my family now, so brilliant. And also Abbott's Removals, who have actually paid for my journey out here. So yeah, if you need removals, you need our assistance, you need someone professional and fully insured, then give us a shout. I'll leave the number in the little card at the bottom there. So, with all that put aside, let's watch some trains. Yes! Here we go, first freight of the day. And we've got a Pendolino behind us. Oh, here we go. Six 6519. Oh, now we're starting to rain. great. That's pretty cool. $320,213 and $320,258. $720,602 on the back. Wow, that's awesome. That's the C2C 720, and Rail Operation Group seem to be testing it over the last couple of days, so I'm glad I caught that. Awesome. I usually see it getting dragged through Wellingborough by a class 47 or a 37, so you see that running. That was pretty epic. Nice. Right, wonder what else we got. I love this spot. I don't want to go, so I'm not. Oh, I hear a rumble. Oh. That's an EMR 360. Nice. Right, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna have to have a look on Railcam, see if I've got time to duck down to the next bridge, and I'll be able to show you where this new bridge is going as well. So just have a quick look and see what we've got coming. If it's all clear, we'll go to the next bridge down. Right, let's go down and have a look. Nearly there, nearly there. So here we are, and this is the road bypass, and this footpath has been temporarily closed just to build the bridge, but they haven't started on this side. So I did do my research before I came onto this bit, folks. Don't have a go at me. But yeah, this is a before, and I suppose in a few months' time I'll come back and I'll do an after. Yeah, anyway, let's get back down to that other bridge. Oh, oh, yeah! Oh. Ah, and here we are. Next bridge down. So we've got that way. All right, okay. There's another bridge. We'll go to that one in a little while. Oh, look at the timing! How's that, my boys and girls? Should try and get a tone. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see the right two lines are gone lower than the ones on the left. Oh, that's awesome. Let's catch some trains. Whoa. Never seen that one before, that's a beauty. Cool. Right, now I've got a little bit of a problem. It seems we've got two freight trains coming from either way, both at the same time. It'd be good if we got a crossover, wouldn't it? I don't know how it's going to go. Just got to keep an eye that way and keep an eye that way and keep an eye that way and keep an eye that way. Big shout out to Maisie as well. Trainspotting Maisie was going to come out here and join me today, but it seems her grandma can't get her out here. So I said I'll give her a great shout out instead too. So yeah, come on Maisie, bring us luck, girl, come on. I'll leave the link for her TikTok and her YouTube channel down in the description below. So come on girl, bring me luck. Car train! brilliant. Nothing better than a car train. Oh, and there's another freight coming. Oh, perfect timings. It don't get much better than that, folks. Shot of the day, 100%. Yes! West Coast Main Line, you do not disappoint. Awesome. Right, I do believe though we should move on a little bit. Kind of outstayed me welcome on the bridge. So we're going to go down to that next bridge down there. All right. Don't know how to get there. We'll just work it out ourselves. So epic. What a day. Love it. Love it.
A few moments later.
Yeah, and here we are, next bridge down, and this is Hyde Road in Roade, and this is where I found this. Now check that out. There's your historical plaque straight away. Roade Cutting, London and Birmingham Railway, dug 1834 to 1838, 56 feet deep and 1.5 miles long. A major civil engineering challenge for the world's first long distance intercity railway. And it awesome, historical, with some trains that are still running on it. It's absolutely amazing. I love this place. I love Roade. If I could move here, pretty sure I couldn't afford it, but I'd move here. So I think what we'll do though is we'll wait for a couple of freight trains, but then I actually want to move away from here, because if we have a look over the other side, it's nice, but we've got another bridge that's a bit too close. So I can't really see down, so I'd like to go stand on that bridge and have a look further down and see what's down there. So I won't stay here too long. We'll catch a couple of trains and then we'll move on. Oh, Royal Mail! Yeah, 32015. Got it. Beautiful. God, I do like the Royal Mail train. Beautiful. The old networkers. Do you like them? If you do, leave your notes down in the comments below. I'd like to know. Oh, hang on. There's another freight train. Hey! Beautiful, beautiful. Oh God, I like that one. That was a corker. Look at that going off in the distance. Wow. You know, I have also just noticed that the reason why that historical plaque is on this bridge is because this is the start of the road cutting. So, okay, I want to go check out the bridge that's behind us, which is over there, but that's not exactly the railway cutting. But it is the site of the disused road station. So, yeah, I think what we'll do is wait for this next freight train that's coming, because I won't have time to run over there, and then we'll run over and go see it. DB Cargo UK comes straight in from the channel. I think it's from France actually, bringing bottled water to this country. Don't know where they're going or what they're doing when they get there, but still, epic viewing. Right, well there's the bridge we were just at, and now I'm on the road bridge, and there's no footpath on the other side, so it's actually a little bit difficult if I show you. Just jump up here, but down there. But there is, by the look of it, another railway bridge just in there, so I'll see if I can get on that one and see if we can get that big bend on the corner. Apparently this is the old station house as well, one of the station buildings, so that's pretty cool. But you know what, I'm actually not that bothered about that way. I actually want to try and get back up that very first top bridge I haven't been to today, but I have been with Jamie Brady, so I've got enough time. There's two class 90s, so I'm a little bit on a rush.
Eventually.
Here we are then, that top bridge, and if we look over here you should be able to see where the West Coast Main Line splits off with the Northampton Arm. Beautiful. You can just about see Northampton Tower in the back, and of course this whole development here is a new rail freight depot, so yeah, it should be pretty interesting. But for now I think we need to catch some trains, don't we? Oh, look at them girders. Whoa. Oh, big shout out to Andy. Thank you very much for the tones, buddy. Brilliant. I mean, look at that. Getting a bit dark over Will's mother's, isn't it? So what I may have to do is wait for these next two class 90s, and then we may have to call it a day. But the road cutting, got it off my checklist. Always wanted to come and see this from the start to the very end of it. Awesome. Oh, and look, it just keeps on going. Brilliant. My new favourite spot. Oh, should we get some more shots from that side? Right, I like seeing the train come underneath them girders. That's pretty epic, that is. I love that. See if we can get a couple more. Oh, two class 90s. Oh, wow. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I love this. One last one, but look, you can see the streaks in the distance of how misty it's getting. That's some heavy rain, and of course I'm on the outskirts of road here, so I need to get into road to find a bus shelter to get some shelter. But we can wait for one more train. What's that? There's a light engine again. Oh, quick! Yeah! 66541. Got it! Oh, I'm also getting wet. The things I do for you lot and for my inner child. No, sorry. I'm going to call this it. Beautiful. Well, I was going to end it there, but it seems we've got company. Hello, Alfie.
Hello.
Hey, welcome to the road. What do you reckon?
Awesome.
Oh,
Absolutely great.
Amazing, isn't it? I was going to finish it at that bridge, but it does look like we've got a double header coming through, doesn't it?
Yeah, bloody hell.
So, bonus scene. Beautiful, eh? It's a double header.